Click on the link below to get price. The Polylumber Adirondack Chairs set of 6 presents a practical solution for outdoor seating, ideal for those seeking comfort and durability in their patio furniture. Constructed from high-quality polylumber, these chairs are designed to withstand various weather conditions, making them suitable for year-round use. One of the standout qualities of polylumber is its all-weather resistance. Unlike traditional wood, which may warp or crack under exposure to moisture and sunlight, polylumber is engineered to endure the elements without deteriorating. This feature can be particularly advantageous for individuals living in regions with fluctuating climates, as these chairs require minimal maintenance. The material is also resistant to fading, ensuring that the vibrant colors remain intact over time. The design of the Adirondack chairs is both classic and inviting. With a wide seat and a gently sloped backrest, they offer a comfortable seating experience that encourages relaxation. The chairs are also lightweight, allowing for easy rearrangement on your patio or deck. Each chair is thoughtfully constructed, providing ample space for social gatherings or quiet enjoyment of a book in the sun. The set of 6 enables accommodating larger groups, making it suitable for family barbecues or gatherings with friends. When it comes to assembly, users may find the process straightforward, as the chairs typically come with all necessary hardware and clear instructions. This can be a significant benefit for those who prefer a hassle-free setup without the need for extensive tools or expertise. In terms of usage, these chairs can serve various purposes. They can be used around a fire pit for evening relaxation, on a porch for morning coffee, or even by a poolside. Their versatility allows them to seamlessly blend with different outdoor aesthetics, whether you have a contemporary or traditional style. In conclusion, the Polylumber Adirondack Chairs set of 6 combines functionality with timeless design, offering a durable and comfortable seating option for outdoor spaces. With their weather-resistant properties, ease of assembly, and versatile use cases, they can enhance the outdoor experience for gatherings or solitary moments alike.